when I went to the beach, I found these little pieces of driftwood, and I thought maybe I would try and make a little craft out of them. So anyway, I've cleaned them up, but I'm just gonna make sure I got all the sand off them. I think I've got all my tools here that I'm wanting to use. Oh, I think I forgot something, but anyway, just gonna sand them a little bit, a loose bit. I want to make sure I get the loose pieces off so that they don't come off if I make them into necklaces. So anyway, I have my drill here, and of course I have my safety glasses. I'm not sure which way I'm going to do this one. I kind of like that. So we will see how this works. Okay. There we are. We have a little hole in there. Brush the loose stuff off. I'm not sure if that's going to work or not. Okay, don't know if you can see that, but there's a hole in there. And I'm going to do the other pieces the same way. Here are the first two close up that I've drilled the holes in. Well, I have my 4 pieces done, and now I'm going to put some glaze on them. Oops, this one's... Hopefully this will work right. And I put them on toothpicks. And this is what you do with old alcohol glasses from your parents that you don't use. You use them for art things. You always find a different use for everything. One more. Oops. Let's see, the toothpick goes in first. Oh, it does. Okay. When these are dry, I will probably recoat them once more. Make sure there's a good coating protection on them. And so there they are. And they will sit there until they're dry, and we will redo them again. Just trying to get some wire here. I'm going to make some jump rings. Just, oops. Just wrap it around here. Just cut with some wire cutters. Did one earlier and it flew right across the room. Okay. There we go. Make another one here. Okay, I think I have enough made. I'm going to try and make some necklaces out of those pieces of little driftwood. Okay, here is one of the necklaces I finished. The jump rings in there, and I wound some wire around there. And this is a string that would be okay for vegans because it is not leather. I will make one with a leather string as well. Let's see which one I'm going to do. I think I'm going to do this one. Whoops, if I get it. Ah, there, I got it out. Good. So, I will find a ring here. I'll open that up. I'll thread it through. Oops, a little more. Okay. Some pliers here. Pinch that a little bit. That should be good. Okay. And then here's some leather lace. So I'll put the leather lace through there. And some wire that I hopefully I can get this on here. Oops, getting stuck a little bit. Okay. There we go. There. Okay. Then I'm going to make it adjustable. So I'm going to wrap it around here. That's the one. And then wrap this one around. Okay, the other one. And that way, if you want to make it bigger or smaller, you can do that. But anyway, and there's the second one done. There we go. And there's two of them. One with leather and one without. So I hope you enjoyed my little video and of some things I do with things I find on the beach. I hope you have a great day, and like, subscribe. Please leave me comments, give me tips and ideas for anything else that I could make.